What is this name? Why is it the It's blue. It's going night. Oh wait, times. That's the reason. Oh wait, okay. I gotta go. Pushing, guys. Okay, we gotta push. Pull. Let's go. Yay! We got bind to the exit. Alright. Okay. So actually, you can. Oh. Oh god, what is that? Oh my god. Okay. So this is not for a reason. I cannot do this anymore. What is that? Hello? Oh. What was that? Is that a killer right here? Oh my god, no. Jump again! Oh my god, no, it's getting blue. I cannot go! I can't! Oh wait, he's better. No. Okay. Alright, okay, that was for a reason. Like, hello? Hello? Why is it getting red? Oh my god, no. Okay, escape. Let me out! Alright, okay. That's what it does. That was what it does. Okay? That's it. Whoa! Yo! Are we gonna do this? Yes! Oh my god, blue rage! Yes, I cannot. Oh my god, go run! Oh god, I cannot run with that out anymore. Okay. Oh yeah, got it. Guys, for some reason, I cannot go up now. Oh, you just see how. God, this is hold up this shit. I got the copyrights before I can't. Okay. That is right. How can I step behind Michael? Okay, I can't see. But this is on the building. What is this? Okay. My donkey fell in my waffle hole, man. Because for some reason, I cannot tell you how I get about now. Because free. Why is it getting yellow? Because for some reason. Oh god. Why is it yellow night? Oh no, I'm dead. It's time for my revenge. So, is it a sleepier? Yeah. So we have a good day here, but hey. Okay. You saved me for a reason. I don't want to go in there because everyone. What I hear the yeah. For some reason.
Yeah. Yeah. No, 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 no.